What is happening, ladies and gentlemen? It is a beautiful Tuesday morning out here in sunny San Diego. I'm talking 61 degrees in the middle of January, and I'm feeling refreshed. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling rejuvenated. I just got out of the ocean, did my little morning dunk, and I got some good news today. I'm getting the Kia Soul back, baby. I'm gonna be out of this rental finally. After 3 weeks of jerry-rigging my way through this, I have made it. And honestly, it wasn't so bad. I slept like a baby. I could store all my stuff. Nothing got taken. Everything went well. So that's great. But then I also got some bad news. At least I'm assuming it's bad news. I had this interview scheduled with Amazon. I was looking forward to my new and bright future as a delivery driver. But unfortunately, I wasn't able to attend the interview. I had some stuff go on with this whole rental car / car repair, and I couldn't make the interview. And they just did not want any part of that. They haven't responded back to me. So basically, I'm assuming that I am no longer going to become an Amazon delivery driver, which fucking sucks, man. I thought I was going to finally have my first job in literally 3 years. But no, dude. That's just not the way life worked out. So last night I was kind of bummed about this. I was feeling like shit. I'm over here thinking to myself, damn, dude, you can't even get a job as an Amazon delivery driver. Like, what are you doing, bro? But it just is what it is. I'm going to try and move on to the next thing. I'm going to hopefully find another job. I refuse to work in the restaurant industry. I'm just so sick of it. So I'm hoping to find, who knows, maybe I can be a UPS driver or a USPS driver. I don't really care at this point. I just need to get a job because I have some seriously dark waters on the horizon. After I get my Kia back, I'm bringing it to the next shop, and they're gonna basically seal my fate. It's either gonna be a quick repair with this whole engine thing, or it's gonna be a full-blown Oppenheimer nuclear bomb, and rather than 3 weeks without a car, I'm gonna be without one for 3 months, which could go really good if it's a Buick, or really bad if they don't even give me a rental car at all. Basically, I'm about to find out if I'm able to stay in California or if I have to go home and live with either friends or family for the next 3 months. I have no idea, dude, and you guys can obviously imagine that's a really anxious, anxiety-provoking situation to be in. But I'm just taking it in stride. It is what it is, dude. I'm gonna find out. It's kind of like this whole job thing too. I don't know what's coming, and I'm just hoping for the best. I hope it all turns out. But yeah, that's my life right now. There's an up and a down, just like the waves in the ocean, and I'm hoping to surf my way through, man. Surf my way through, dude. But yeah, that's all I gotta say today, guys. If you're dealing with some stuff, if you're dealing with some uncertainty, we all gotta get through it. Let's try and ride the waves of life together. I'll see you guys tomorrow, and hopefully it'll be all good news. I'll let you guys know how this car thing goes. Maybe say a prayer for me, because the Lord knows I need it. Later.